welcome to my channel. My name is Maddie and today I'm going to be doing a second trimester recap while doing my makeup. I've just been liking to do these videos, like these update videos, while I sit here and do my makeup. So hopefully you enjoy that as well. I love watching videos like that, so if you're interested, please keep watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. So I'm not really gonna do like too much with the makeup, but maybe just like an everyday fall look. We'll just see where this goes. Just something light. So the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, the oil-free one, and then the flawless Hollywood Flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I hardly even want to be sitting down doing my makeup. I really want to be working on the nursery. I'm going to be working on the nursery anyways today, and I am filming a nursery vlog, like a second one. In my first nursery vlog, you see I painted this, and I just kind of like started clearing out the room. I don't know about y'all, but I love watching like nursery vlogs and stuff. Basically just watching people, nest. Like Aspen Ovard, I've been watching her for years, and she's having her second girl. And Zoe, like Zoella is what I know her by. She just had her baby, but I was watching all of her like nesting videos, like just getting ready for the baby, and I'm obsessed. So I am gonna make some videos like that. Last night I was just making lists. Like I have just been making so many lists on my phone, writing them down, even just like normal to-do lists. Like I just need to have everything in order. So I'm definitely feeling the nesting coming on. To-do lists daily, I don't even know. I just like overload of organization basically. We just got back from New York, like upstate New York, which was like pretty much our baby moon. We were gonna go on like some crazy like beach vacation, like get a beach house baby moon, but we just decided if we have the money to go somewhere, we should go see Chase's family, who lives in upstate New York, and it was really nice and relaxing. The weather was like chilly, and we brought Presley with us to see, you know, Grandma and Grandpa, the cousins, and yeah, it was just nice. Now let's get into these symptoms that I've experienced in the second trimester. And pretty much with all these symptoms, like it's normal pregnancy symptoms, but I experienced all this stuff with Presley, like with my first, but it just like these came a lot sooner this time than they did with my first baby. So some of these symptoms I might have experienced with Presley, but I didn't experience them till the third trimester, whereas like these came just really soon, which leads me on to my first symptom, which is back pain. My back has been thrown out so many times just from bending over, like it just not really doing much. My back started hurting so bad, like early on. You know, Epsom salt baths, or just warm baths, warm showers, stretching, going for walks to like kind of just help stay limber and stuff. Walking in the evenings I think has definitely helped me stay nice and limber. The next symptom that I got much earlier this time is Braxton Hicks contractions. Some people never experience these and some people do. I definitely did experience them with my first, but this time they get tight. I had my first one much earlier this time as well. I think I was 14 weeks, like on the dot, but I didn't start getting them every day till around 20 something weeks. And then I'll just get, you know, a couple a day or something. But yeah, they get pretty tight. Last night I had a really tight one. Also, like he'll push out a lot, like when his butt, he'll push out, or his feet will stretch, and like I just feel him like pushing out very strong. It gets tight in there sometimes, you know. I feel like I can't do as much this time early on, but I think it's because with your first pregnancy, like the symptoms don't come on as like quickly, so since my symptoms came a little bit faster this time, I feel like I'm just not able to do as much this time. I've spent a lot more time in bed or just like, you know, taking it easy. Now that I'm nesting, it's not gonna matter, like, it's really not gonna matter if I have the energy to do something or not, because you're just so motivated to like do things that you get up and do it. I also didn't have a toddler when I was pregnant last time. Is a 3-year-old even a toddler anymore? He's gonna be 4 in like a month. He plays soccer now, so he has been going to soccer practice and soccer games every week, and he goes to kind of like a preschool 2 days a week. So, you know, he still does things, but I just feel like I can't like do as much with him, if that makes sense. I feel like the nesting has come on even sooner, just feeling like really creative and like needing to do something like artsy, creative, productive, like kind of preparing to nest. This is the NYX lip oil. They feel really nice and they have like a little color. They're like cute and glossy, but they feel like really good. And then I'm just gonna take this Urban Decay palette, the shortcut one. I love these colors. These are like my jam. On a positive note too, my low blood pressure came and went, came and gone, came and something. It's not here anymore basically. So it kind of fixed itself, which even my pregnancy app said that it would, like, you know, low blood pressure is pretty normal in like early second trimester days, and then by like 24 weeks or so it should just like, you know, go back to normal. So next symptom that I have that I literally do not remember having this long with my first is like the constipation, TMI, but you know, I just don't remember having it for this long. I feel like it lasted maybe a couple weeks with him, but anyways, yeah, moving on. So something that I have been doing a lot is basically like preparing for birth. That's definitely something that I've been doing in the second trimester. So watching unmedicated birth vlogs or watching Bridget Teylor and Dancee Pinkston, watching like all of Bridget Teylor's videos and just like educating myself on birth more, because when I had my son I was 19 years old and I basically, you know, I was more concerned on like how to be a mom than like how to give birth, if that makes sense. I have decided to, you know, do the whole labor and delivery unmedicated. That's my plan. And so you really gotta like prepare for that. Kind of like the first thing that really had me thinking like I can do this was Clarke's birth vlog and just kind of her first pregnancy journey. So basically she started talking about how she was planning and like prepping and basically like practicing for birth, and she said like what class she took, which is the Positive Birthing Company. And I'll just put all these names in this website in the description down below, so like, you know, you can reference these people's names and their channel. And also that birth class, I think it's like $50. That's like the cheapest one that there is, and it basically just teaches you all the different stages of birth. It's hypnobirthing, so it teaches you the stages of birth, so that way you know, because the more you know, the less you're gonna be fearful. Like the whole thing is like you don't want to have like fear, because that could like slow down the process. It can make it more painful. Like the more you know, the less you fear. So it teaches you about birth and all the different stages, and then it teaches you different breathing techniques It goes through affirmations. It goes through different positions that you can be in, like different positions that your body can be in while you're in labor, just to try to kind of like relieve some of the pressure. I've just been watching positive, unmedicated birth vlogs. I'm not gonna watch any horror stories. I don't want to hear any horror stories. My mind can go there easily, where like I can imagine what could go wrong and things like that. I have been doing research on like epidural versus not epidural, Pitocin versus not, like doing my research. Like I know what could go wrong. I don't need to hear like horror stories. So my first must-have has been a belly band, but one that's supportive of your back. And I don't wear it every day. I don't even probably wear it once a week, but just it's nice to have like for support. It goes up your back and it's like sturdy and supportive on your back, and then it goes under your belly. And that's just great because when I'm doing makeup and hair for weddings and stuff like that, I can have that extra support. Or if I'm going on a long walk, stuff like that, I'll put it on for. And then the next thing is my tennis shoes with the Dr. Scholl's inserts, and I just got them on Amazon. They were like $7 or $8, but they're the inserts that they support your heel, your arch, and like the ball of your foot. Like it's like a 3-in-1 Dr. Scholl's thing. And then I got like New Balance, these new sneakers. I went half a size up just because you swell and everything. I didn't have this on my list, but another must-have has been these Starbucks, the Starbucks cups. I love this one. It's like they're actually like way more functional than like one of those big water bottles, because I'm in the car a lot, taking Presley places or whatever, or if I go into the store, if I go in somewhere, these are just a lot easier to hold, and they fit in the cup holder. So like, yeah, I have a half-gallon one and I have like a gallon water bottle, and I just fill these up multiple times a day. I don't have to fill it up that often because it's like a venti, but I've definitely liked using these more just because they don't get too heavy, so you can take them into the store. They're not too big, they fit in a cup holder. Like, yeah, I've really enjoyed having sense. I did get a gallon water bottle for this pregnancy, and it's just not practical. And then, like I've mentioned, baths, stretching, my ball. If you watch my nighttime routine pregnancy video, I show some stretches and how I use my pregnancy ball, birth ball, whatever you want to call it. This is all I'm going to do today for my makeup because I'm honestly not going anywhere, but I am going to film some stuff for the nursery vlog. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.